use between 3PL and 4PL in logistics? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Think of 3PL as your logistics partner. They handle transportation, warehousing, and fulfillment. Basically, they move stuff. Now 4PL goes a level deeper. They manage your entire supply chain, including 3PLs. They are your logistics brain, not just hands. 3PL is equals to doors, 4PL is equals to strategists. 3PL works in your logistics, 4PL works on your logistics. Use 3PL if you need help in shipping. Choose 4PL if you want end-to-end control with zero stress. Follow for more logistics insights.